Welcome back to Jules Math Tools, where we make math easy. In this session, we will be calculating the area of our triangle when we have to convert our whole number into a decimal number. And if you're ready to see how this is done, let's get started. So in our session today, we're calculating the area of our triangle. And in this triangle, we are working with a right angle triangle. Now, typically when we have another type of triangle, which is our acute triangles mainly, the height would be in the middle of our triangle, or in most cases, it may be to the side. But with the right angle triangle, remember that the line that goes from the base to the apex of the triangle is your height. So this back line on my triangle will be my height. And in most cases, on some examples, they may indicate what line is labeled the base so that you know which line is your height. But in either case, remember that the height is the line that goes from the base of the triangle to the top. So now that we have covered that, let's begin calculating the area of our triangle. Remember that the area of the triangle is your base times your height, and this will be divided by 2. So the base of my triangle is 7. 7 is going to be multiplied to my height of 9, and then their product will be divided by 2. So 7 times 9 is equal to 63, and our 63 will be divided by 2. Now remember that because we are working with measurements, we need to leave our answer as accurate as we can. So we will be dividing our 2 into 63. So 2 will divide into 6 3 times. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 6 minus 6 gives us 0. We'll bring down our 3. Divide our 2 into 3, which will equal to 1. 1 times 2 will give us 2. 3 minus 2 gives us a difference of 1. At this point, we're going to now input our decimal point behind our dividend, behind our quotient, add a 0, bring down that 0, change our 1 into 10, divide 2 into 10, which will equal to 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10, and 10 minus 10 gives us a difference of 0. So our height, pardon me, so our area for this triangle is 31 and 5/10. I remember that our measurements is in millimeter units squared. Okay, so there you have it. We just calculated the area of our triangle when we're using a right angle triangle, and we had to change our decimal, our whole number, into its decimal form for an answer. So remember that these questions are super easy and just apply a lot of the basic skills that you already know. So as always, make sure that you get some additional practice in. Give this video a thumbs up if it was able to help you, and make sure that you return back to Jules Math Tools, where we make math easy.